Welcome to UC Santa Barbara. We are so glad to have you here for this very special event with His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. This morning's lecture on the nature of mind is unique an opportunity for us to expand our knowledge of Buddhist traditions, philosophy, and scholarship.
Of course, the topic about nature of mind and the sources of my talk, mainly Buddhist text. So therefore, at the beginning, I want to recite one shloka, verse, the salutation to Buddha. That verse wrote by Nagarjuna. Kange tusi yeso ne dawa do jebang be jere dan be chune de jebe kwatam ta la cha che lo. Dear brothers and sisters, of course, Chancellor, and my long-time friend, and the Dean, and also long-time my friend, although he no longer as a monk, but sometimes I refer still Bhikshu. So, indeed, I feel great honor talk a large number of people and in the university
campus.
So great honor. Last 2 days, somewhat called flu or cold. So a lot of liquid come from here. And my voice, a little bit unusual, but okay. I think usually my voice, I think a little better than today's voice. Now, originally, lecture about some Buddhist concept, they here a bit longer. So at that time, the concerned people arranged this text. Now, since the duration of my lecture shortened, so now I will not go through that text. Now, I have the topic, nature of mind. Although all major religious traditions carry same message of love, compassion. With that, spirit of forgiveness, tolerance, and also self-discipline. Out of awareness, the negative thing, sort of negative consequences. So knowing that, and some kind of self-discipline. And also in material field, more contentment. is these practice same in all traditions. So now these loving kindness or compassion, these are mental quality. And also try to reduce anger, hatred, fear, suspicion. These negative, destructive emotions also part of mind. And basically, the joyfulness, pains, these two things are experience or feeling of mind. So basically, all major tradition, and all, of course faith, also part of mind. So all major tradition is carrying message or practice or method to improve mind. Same. But now because of differences, the theistic religion, non-theistic religion, the theistic religion, the emphasis, importance of faith, that is the way of approach. And non-theistic, such as Jainism and Buddhism and some other ancient Indian traditions such as Sangha, one part of Sangha philosophy, is non-theistic. So non-theistic's essential idea is something like self-creation. And also the concept of law of causality, cause and effect, cause and effect, cause and effect. So therefore, ultimately, something like creator is within ourselves. So then naturally, not this body also important as a basis of the mind. Now, for example, human body is the basis of human mind. With this, with the connection with the body, then we can, you can say it's a different mind of human being, mind of animal, mind of insect, like that. So that, and also the sensorial level sort of consciousness entirely based on the part of the body. Like that. But ultimately, body action, including voice, because of the verbal action, ultimately depend on the motivation. So motivation means mind. So, according to the law of causality, things which we want and things which we do not want, all ultimately related with our motivation, our mind. So now, in order to achieve happy life, joyful life, we have to take care about our mind, motivation. Now, in order to overcome, in order to reduce suffering, we have to deal with negative emotion or destructive emotion, which ultimately bring these unwanted things. So therefore, special emphasis in these traditions about mind. Now naturally, logically, when deal with mind, we should have thorough knowledge about mind. Then also, within the what we call mind or consciousness, I don't know. Within that, there are so many different
Categories,
ah,
types.
different types of mind. Thousands. Then all these destructive emotions. The only way to deal these destructive emotions only through mind, not through matters or injection or surgery, not like that, but only through another mind. Now, for example, anger, hatred will not reduce through some drugs or alcohol. Maybe sometimes sleep, maybe. Even if there's a lot of anger, sound sleep may help reduce. The next morning, your anger a little bit smaller. Actually, they basically, all these negative, destructive emotion, they dealing these destructive emotion in order to reduce. The only way is opposite mind, contradictory mind. First, realize the contradictory sort of mind, then increase that. That's the only way to change or to reduce these negative emotions. So, in other words, in order to reduce the destructive emotion, the only way is to increase these constructive emotions. That's the only way. So therefore, again, we have to know what kind of mind, what kind of thought is ultimately destructive, and what kind of mind or emotion ultimately constructive. So we have to know that. Then, big question, destructive emotion can eliminate or not? Now, this is a big question. In order to find answer for that question, we have to know the ultimate nature of mind and basis of all these destructive emotions. Then you get some understanding, the possibility of elimination these destructive emotions. So therefore, in Buddhist text, there quite a lot of information about emotion, about mind. And then also, I think particularly in Tantric teaching, since the Tantric teaching also involve some, physical, usually we call Zolung Tingli. Therefore, you see, it mentioned the sort of different level of mind, like grosser level of mind, and more subtle, like that. That mentioned only in Tantric text, in Tantric teaching. So for example, just this moment, our sensorial consciousness or mind fully functioning. active. Although simultaneously, the thought, kasa,
Thoughts now.
thought also go simultaneously. But sensorial consciousness are much more dominant.
Dominant.
Then during dream time, the sensorial consciousness no longer function. Only thought, another level. Then during deep sleep, without dreaming, another level of deeper level of consciousness, of mind. So then also, when at the time of
Fainting.
fainting, even stop breathing. Another level of deep level of mind. Then at the time of death, all physiology, physical things, now for example, the heart beating stop, then blood circulation in the brain
Cease.
within a short moment cease. Then all the neurons now no longer function. So all grosser level of mind then stop. I think something like human mind then no longer there, stop. But the only indication, we ordinarily we can notice that some people after death, at the time of death, physical level, death, clinically recognize or declare death. But the body remains very fresh. Now one example, my own senior tutor, after death, about next 13 days, his physical, his body remained very fresh. And then recently, one senior,
Now, a Tibetan Lama, the former throne holder of Ganden,
I think last year, after he
passed away.
passed away, I think next almost 3 weeks, his body remained fresh. So fortunately, at that time, as soon as I heard that Rinpoche's body still remained fresh, so then I asked one medical center in Dharamsala, since we already kept some mission to check a person who remained in that state. So some simple mission available. So I sent a message to them, and then they sent some people and carried those simple mission and put some wires on the head like that. So although they very detailed analysis not yet sort of finalized, but seems that after a few days, clinically dead, some
Signals.
weak electric sort of movement.
Signals.
Signals.
Some electrical signals were there.
In brain. So it is, they say, very unusual. So that we believe that still that person's innermost or subtle mind is still in the body. So some influence in the body. So that is we call most subtle consciousness. So there are many levels. Now here one thing. Now I shifted to the Tibetan. Ngamba zhe nang li ya thakje thangzhe sa she yo re. Gembe gi lumu den gi tima thak da lo ngamba de thakje thangzhe. Di she ju sa ne 패시 지원고도 지금 그걸로 기디로 시작이야. 다이네 뭐 근데 나리야. 치승 참모 얘나 루머데 이미 켜셔. 치승 참모리 루머데 마도 개미기 시작하고 말이야. 다도 차로 치면 계시도 다도가. 라고도 제윤도 개미기 남샤시. 다 참여가는 말 내윤도 얘네 개미기 시작하고 루머데 코를 했어. 시바. 다 나게 흉나는 샤윤데 치승 참모데 내저게 떡기 개발을 교통을 했어. 이네 치승 참모 미게 원래 남의 교통에 매래. 사드리인데 디 개발시도가 미게 로드 제디 정신 제주 군도 유여의 링달라 미게 남도 용내. 정신 제주 군도 가사에 제라 아니 동버시 내가올라 미기별로 개 매래. 사실 미기별로데 라볼루베 나는 것도 믿어가. 이네 개와데 뉴멀 해지 개별로데 개와를 교수하시도가. 그래서 되게 가르치고 있으려면 시바 참여가 내윤데 개별로 가서 탐식 쓰면 개별로 개퇴하지. 미기별로 개퇴하면 되겠지. 개발시 되는 거. So, so now I feel the complete sort of understanding or explanation about mind. I think we should include the Tantric text.
The Vajrayana perspective. No.
So now, in Guhi Samanza, Tantra text, Gyuni Gyunshi Chawar, Gyuni Gyunshi Chawar, Gyuni Naba Sumjutis, Shidan, that Tishin Kasa Ruduge. Now I fail to recite the text. I can't remember now. Kind of many she tabju mitobam debut jusum shed. That actually the consciousness, the level of consciousness, three categories. One, basis. One, not tackling that mind, another level. The third level, out of dealing with the mind, finally can be completely purified mind. So this also can say the first reality, present reality, and explanation about that I consider science. And then second, the tackling. Application. That's method. That's philosophy or concept. The third, as a result. Like Four Noble Truths, when Buddha first stayed, First, because the wheel of Dharma, which is start. The Denshing all of them are child, they were child, they would have devas. Deva sum said the she nature. She did it be in any Langdon Judoki, child deva. Langdon Judo, Teta Chavina, Devu, any Sabashi, Sabashiva, the Midio Shiva, young to So usually I make sort of three sort of categories.
Distinctions.
Distinction of Buddhism. Buddhist science, the first part I consider as Buddhist science. Second, Buddhist concept or Buddhist philosophy. Buddhist concept or philosophy come on the basis of today's reality. So that's Buddhist science. Then Buddhist concept or philosophy. Then Buddhist religion. Because of that, because of possibility to elimination of all negative emotion, then worthwhile start some practice. So here in this text also, the Shali, Tangbudi, 다 가서 semgi 다들 정신 디샤체 되네 니버디 된지집에 있는 자네 랑도 죽도 샤체 될 때네 애는 레뷰냐 그게 now in the past, I think more than 20 years, we had some sort of serious discussion or seminar with scientists. There is some sort of dialogue or discussion, or actually mutual learning. Of course, basically it's four fields: cosmology, neurobiology, and subatomic physics, such as quantum physics, then psychology. So, and quantum physics also is in some similar view. Cosmology, basically same, but then some particular sort of description about the world, flat, and in the center, Mount Meru. These are up-to-dated. So, of course, the Buddhist text, the different description about cosmology. So therefore,
so in a sense, the Buddhists have a liberty to choose which one they want to take.
Then some of the quantum, such as quantum physics. Oh, really, has a great interest over 2,000 years. Sort of what's the Buddhist concept. And modern, latest sort of
findings,
scientific sort of
findings,
physicist sort of finding. There are many similarities. Then, in any way, about the physical part, there are many things to learn from modern science to Buddhist. So really worthwhile, listen or study from them. Then the neurobiology, although the Buddhists, particularly in Tantrayana, say mind and energy. So quite interesting, you see, to investigate the relation between emotions and and the neurons, these things. But as far as the physical side, the modern science, much more advanced. So very useful to learn from them. But the connection between neurons and the consciousness, mind, still this is not very clear. So here some Buddhist explanation and also Buddhist experience, some of the practitioners' experience, useful. We said to get more. The modern science or psychology, usually they call soft science.
Soft science.
I think very young, very, very young, something like kindergarten. The ancient Indian sort of science of mind seems much advanced. So a lot of information, something useful to modern scientists. So therefore, my scientist sort of friend, they provide that simple equipment to test. So although since I think almost 10 years ago, some equipment is put there, but then just we wait, someone who should die. But then, when the equipment available, no one die through such sort of experience. Then when in the past, there's quite a number of occasions such this happened, but then mission not available. So now last year, two things combined now. So in any way, so these things really interesting. So the further sort of investigation or acquiring our knowledge through joint effort is very good. So now the mind. Now here, since this is our meeting with scientists about mind, one thing in India, perhaps I think more than 2,000 years, perhaps around 3,000 years, there is some knowledge about sensorial consciousness or mind and yilukasa.
Mental, sensory versus mental experiences.
So in this modern science, this is that is very, very important, make distinction. The sensorial consciousness or mind very much related with the body, with the body element. The mental level, as I mentioned earlier, the grosser level very much related with the body element, but more subtler, more autonomy. And then the motivation strategy, ombusheva kan phaji duwa mare. Chadanga panu de dengegi yilu tokbat di zaiju chala ombusheva kane takje sida chigo shen shra khawrisha. Now since Tibetan Buddhism, actually the pure lineage of Nalanda tradition. It is very clear that because in 8th century, although I think interest about Buddhism since 7th century developed and tried to learn, already began, I think. But more sound basis.
Systematic.
Systematic sort of establishment of Buddhist study or Buddhist practice, 8th century. The person who actually is carrying the main responsibility to teach and also give ordination. That's Shandarakshita. So on the invitation from Emperor, 8th century, Trisung Tezen, two Indian the important gurus come. One, Guru Pema Sambhava, one, Shandarakshita. So the main responsibility, as I mentioned earlier, giving ordination and also give study lessons, mainly carried the Shandarakshita. So this Shandarakshita, very well known, great master, one of great master of Nalanda, and holder of Madhyamika philosophy, and also the Shandarakshita, great logician. So I think since beginning of then Nagarjuna come from that institution, and many other. And among them, the great philosopher as well as great logician come from
lineage,
in that lineage. So this Shandarakshita, philosopher, Madhyamika philosopher, at the same time great logician. His sort of writing available in Tibetan translation shows such a wonderful logician as well as a philosopher. So naturally, the main introducer of Buddha Dharma in Tibet, one of the top scholar or great practitioner or great monk, bhikshu from Nalanda. So naturally, if the teacher, a philosopher or logician, and he wants his student should be that kind, isn't it? Logically. So therefore, I think till now, in Tibetan tradition, basically the Nalanda tradition, very clear. I often is telling people, I myself, when I study our tradition, mainly at the young age, 6, 7 years old, then we have to learn, then already begin learning by heart those root texts. So my own case, at that time, 6, 7 year old, no interest about Buddhism, no knowledge, as my
Richard Blum.
Richard Blum mentioned the reincarnation of 13th Dalai Lama. I don't think. So you see, when I was young and start learning by heart these texts, no interest, great reluctance. My only interest is to play. So therefore, my tutor have to keep one whip. At that time, myself and my elder brother, we both monk, we both studied together. So my tutor kept 2 whips. One whip, ordinary whip, one whip, yellow whip. So that yellow whip should be considered as a holy whip. The yellow holy whip for holy person Dalai Lama. But you can imagine, if that holy whip used, I don't think any holy pain. I think pain is same. So out of fear, I study. I carry these study, you see these texts. So the point is, all these texts, which I learned by heart, and also he, similar. And my bhikshu, the ex-bhikshu, also you see, all this is the same sort of experience. All these root texts wrote by Nalanda masters, Nagarjuna's text, or Aryadeva's text, Arya Asanga, Basubandh, like that. So all originally is wrote by Nalanda master. Of course, meantime, we also used to study commentary. Among the commentary, many Indian commentary, as well as Tibetan commentary. So we also used to read these things. But real texts, all, you see, come from Nalanda, like that. So therefore, and then these commentary, whenever some important point reach, they always relying on quotation, one of the Indian well-known
Indian masters.
master, like that. So therefore, it is very clear, the Nalanda tradition. Then also, Pema Sambhavan there. So he also, I think he take special sort of responsibility to introduce Tantriyana. Although we believe they, or say among Tenjur, which text wrote by Indian masters, various Indian masters, which translated into Tibetan, about 200 volumes. Among them, quite a number of tantric texts or commentary wrote by, in name of Nagarjuna, and also Aryadeva, and many others. So therefore, so Tibetan Buddhist tradition, Nalanda lineage, and meantime, complete form of Buddhism. That means Pali tradition, all the Vinaya Sutra, original text, the original language is Pali language. Then, in Tadusana, Duyedene, Pachi Pali Zore, then Shijin Dodi, Adam Mambedene, Dodi Dene, Pali Yesare, in a Zota Lejarisha. Penambalia, Mabo Omot, Mabo Komasudua. So then, in Tibet, since 8th century, complete form of Buddhism, then introduce and start. That usually we call Nganjur Nyingma. Then, 9th century, 10th century, 11th century, that Chölyang, Khunbu Mongchungurda. And then Tibetan emperors, sort of organized emperor, also then decentralized.
And also,
Pursue China. Then Sarma, Choji Pe, Roger Jisang did. Then later, Giluk tradition also. So all these, say, a complete form of Buddhism. That means, 태보시롱아 좀 사상. 다 원주님의 겁네 디스고도 택발을 먹고스. 니 가다 주산다 년도 랑제 택신 장씀 시절이 근중된 배태바 숨제 되네 상악 애니 트리어 우버 요가스 그도 리직 택봐. 즉시. 되네 마 어느 어디스 원주 탑지 택봤어. 택버를 먹고 시즌다 택버 중간에 좀 차상 됐어. So now the subtle mind is concerned. According Dzogchen, Dzogchen Chenpo, now here ma 어느 어디 Dzogchen Chenpo. 스스로다 뉴마 현지집에 리부군도 상보스다다 디 냠는 쏜지 쓴 거다. 다 되고 투문 모임에 탑름 지기에 말이 샘도 리부 현치네.
So one unique
그럼 리부 쓰잖아요. 야 로리부 쉐바세야 리부 디면체. 안데 남주다 리부 이시 사 정도와 리부 이시 사게다 리부 대강을 구요하래. 제니 조조 루브로 되들 생부타니체 예 때문에 다 교회 버시는 용땡에 된데들 리바 군도 상보스 토마토 타만 매봐 야 정신의 낭식이 정신 샘데 정신 롱데 아니 명앙 됐어 아니 명앙에 치고 난고 상고 아니 양상람이 거스 송도와 된데 먹고도 상고 될래야 예상 개봤어 그 정신이다 집에 다바 다 되겠지
so this
자상가 예상 개봐 루브르에다 치면 제등에다 디 치면 사인도 전에 양상 개봤어
so
다 퍼싱 슝나리아 시싱 슝나리아 정신 양대 아니 학자 양대 학면 양대 민의 양대 송도와 그래서 정신 양대 디 통모번에 정신 용선 양하는 데바지 차디어 봐. 이내 정신 용선 양하는 데바도 저들이 이르잖아요. 정신 용선 양하는 데바도 매나 루브르 지제기 양대 용식 말봐. 뺏드는 시 예상 개발도 매나 양상 개발 용토 말봐. 다 태고를 뭐 구사디 질 담배 남샤라 태고를 뭐 구여래서는 송어점 뭐임바 강사 지기 냠손 렘베 그돌라 태고를 뭐 구디 차상지 두세 냠는 셔가지 된저기 숭야지 용기 디시라야 오르샤
so
나 대근들었으면 denshi 고미야 디 년도지 태고하세요 디시차지 다 되네 denshi 스파스 가소래 denshi 냠네 10차로 담으잖아요 는 때려야나 주니 룩중도 거네 아니 거주림 도림 그 안에 곡된시에 있고요래 된저디기 아니 랑제가 되버지 되네 심지 친루 실학이 냠네 디디 다 실람시 친루랑 투자다 디디 아니 전주선 배태버지 바로도 집에 바로도 집에 대배 장성 대배 냠네 디제 다데네 하이 난저 고민도잖아요. 아니 저주기 두저 패배왕도 제배이나 아니 다 저주도 세더니 랑니 다 저도 될래 주 아니 시소 무줄래야 된지기 로나 숨기야래. 저다 되는 인도잖아요. 아니 지야 아니 오버 다 요가 디디 냠니치야 디디 준비 봤다. 가다 사이는 좀 서도 되게 하래. 되네네 개바 마요가 롱 어느 요가 스잖아요. 저롱이 냠는 뒤를 내는 거야. 되네네 저거 뭐 어디 요가 스르잖아요. 에네 리버 상대기다 냠는 뒤치야디. 자 도스네 강사지 뒤도 삼을로 먼저 추두체니 태버를 뭐 고갈로 냠는 시야지 요도가 그러나 롱진 주도 나리야. 단 저리네. 다 사비샤요리. 남중에디 셰디. 다 롱진 주든기 냠니 서울베다 차송 공부 제윤도 냐라 dum든 저 때는 야고를 쓰기. dum든 저디 때. 아니 이신저에 때 아니 전에 예수 고수문한 거 심리 예수디 거를 샥자체니 거를 샥고자도 쉬시라 뒤병도 차베이나 되게다 민음 장는 조과죠리 디디 체 엔지니어 매매게 아니 택전즈 신인즈 다 디디 아니 냠면 간만 뒤트야 주나 야사요 람 용서로 거차야서 다 같이 부르셔 다음에 강사 깬데 레트젠라 거라 다 담아 수세지 다네 그러면다 또버지야 되는데 용그래 달라 강사 거전스 그래 다 담바 지공도 쳐봐이나 담바 용서로 거차고 타네 아니 냠네 지기나 담바 지전스야 되긴 로다 투부 좀 뒤야래 then next Kagyu lineage mainly come from Naropa. At the Lama Marba, or Tibetan, he received teaching from many Indian masters, and particularly his sort of was the Madhyamaka philosophy is concerned from Mitiba. So very clear, the Midiba is the holder of the Chandrakirti's view, like that. Then the Kagyu Chakja Chambul, Sunuzane, Chakja Chambula, Giluli Chakja Sunguyare. That is Chakjala Donga Nietzsche. 또 장배원도 집에 자기 전부. 뒤쪽은 오면 다올 공부시거래. 다가다가 자기 시사지. 동아 드네서 되는 거야래. 초용거야래. 단 투모 모임 버디 나그 외세다 되니. 나로 추르고 난 게. 외세 거야도 봐. 다 대다. 다 대냠니 장야 될라. 아니 자기 전부사 마음 못 들어서다 들이.
So
다 조조디 뉴멀 현지집에 로티니 다 내정고 게임 거야래. 남중고 게임 거야래. 다전에 사자 브로반에 마주니 네 다 남주한다 사자 남제 소야데 다 데뷔 다 규디 상하가 냠는디 깨도 냠시의 제네 더 숨도가 제니 다 능숨 유숨스 자 능숨 사되게 노람지 숨겨야래 나 뉴몬베 나와 마타베 나와 되는 nen저벌 타베 나와 전 숨샤가 나와서 디 냠네 나라 다 안데 얘기하는데 님메 안다 년도 랑제 창심 디디 냠네잖아 단디 창대요. 다전에 뒤에 오버 요가 디디 믹스 순둥케다 말셰 다전에 나 라메기 다 마은 어디서다 디처디 다 안데 사제의 송윤들 아니 유숨신 따라서 라메간도 되기도 와 라메기 다시 내가 조사래 규숨 세대들이 되게 한다 성두간도 농장야 되래 규규 탑규 데뷔규스 자 규숨 세바 세야디 다다 시규 말아줘라 여여봐 다 저번집에 죽네 아니 리버군도 상보스 송샤야 단디 야 냠니 정당 도스면 용도 가버래 어디서 단지 저냥 도스다 도스면 용거지 이내다 공부 법서디 사회 터두기 내디 집버리셔 제니 또 규규 대 뭐서 냠용도 하는 거 어쩌시지 다 될래야 되도와 아도 사뱅송이 뭐예요 똑bằng 것이 선점수 öse gümüçadı çağırsaç. Da dele ya günşi dügüle hani 질 남도라 차라 니체. 다 차라 니스체에 남도 처무디. 뒤안데 예시적이야 말해. 제니다 나란조다 똑번 것이 산성 수세하게. 나도 그규 창신 공백을 이나야. 그규 창신도 기록 창신 공백을 찍버리. 냐라 ngande기 재미주스. 아니 마음바에 마음배 제자 저 동배 의미수스. 다들 그 나르게 참바디에 바까. 천유기 즉 똑같이 봐. 결모 조세. 마음배 남도 찾고 막 가서 막 까지. 다들 쉐바 소만 맞춰봐. 대가 가나 산이로다 조서셔제. 제 윤도 남도 참무실에 되겠다. 또 참무치. 또 차라 니세가 또 참무사 들지 거래. 다 저번 침배야.日本군도 상보병 어떠데 어처베이나? 얘는 추구사지 송야지 요래. 근시다 추구 현지야지. 다 안데 대안의 현지기에서 말해. 지단달로 또 차와지야. 달로 대강도 로 네트 체체. 네트 체니 제베이나 안다 자베르 비치 측송내대 나리야. 헤드월로 상탈에 제송돼야 돼. 다 안데 쌤 헤드 줘야 돼. 쌤 헤드 줘세. 남도시나 각 케이프게 깨를 못 주시네. 다들 시바 소만 맞춰봐. 재미 정중 효과를 도시하지. 다 디간에 아니 일본 어체야. 조진이나 일본 어체야. 나디 진로 파보 쓴다 간다 지 진로든 저 단에 아니 일본 어체야지. 다 연구해야 돼. 다 안들디 근시 규규 뭐 소용도잖아요. 다 어디는 쌤 차와. 다들 누구 현지집에 사람도 말해 돼. 이내다 요새 대릭디날 내고 거다. 대안도 조진날이야. 릭버도 릭셔니체. 루브르 쌤디도 사mol로 릭셔체. 가자. 루브르 쌤디디 릭베 째체. 리베 째나 용서로라. 다 루브르 셔바 사mol로 리베 째체. 리베 째려 돼. 근데 인도산에 리베츠에 참자로래야 릭셰 켜져. 근데 인도산에 리벌이야 뭐르고 시르고 째지르고 근데 몽고속도가 자 다다 가서 루브르에 독서 뭔도 줄심배 겁라야 대탐자로 리베츠에 샷데 스타 인도산에 대다라 릭셰 켜져. 릭셰 켜져 인도 난조베 라 유민등의 냠용부터네 뇨몽도 주변내걸래 뇨몽기 거라 지기 단 진단적인 뇨몽을 쳐그래 된데베다 뇨몽지 민노적인 뇨몽사디 민노적인 뇨몽사도 깨이르잖아요 그 미베 제수 민장와 뇨몽 되게 정신 털도 왜세 뒤간래야 로파 네트 체제. 다 진배 제수 민장와. 뉴물 현지 계배 랑당지 인신제라 코랑게 정신 터도 뉴물 현지 계배 랑운 텔래야. 저 정수로 심버지도 대베이나. 아니 뉴모 마바 나수 탁세야 될 내용도가. 이게 되셔. 라라고 야말다. 나 도스체니. 다 디너신체는 안 된디 헤드 셈줘야. 다대 다네 애니 가사 좋대. 냐라 근시 규규 라바 남도 참문디 뭐시비체 다 티니 아니 난조도 깨는 거잖아요. 시규 람규 디세베서 셔서 텔라 제주기 죽음 아제샤네 유르자네 기숨 세베서 주면 되게 인주 상아 라미 질 상아게 하게 유르자네 돈이 더 손을 하샤와서送不多 양걸 하버는 정도 나 라미기 돈이 더 손을 하샤서 전에 돈이 떡지게 로데 라버 루브르 로데 마임바 뉴물 해지게 왜세 또 왜에 관해 왜세 뭐 쓰잖아요. 치지 장배 고엔 저거 말해. 왜세가 넘버 로리에 샤워체네. 된대기 왜세 뉴물 해지게 티 동번이 가서다 동번 뭐니 디니 신라가 나버려 샤데 버지. 저도와. 자 진리인데 돈이도 손을 할 샤르셔야 돼. 유도 오메가 그 손다데다. 라메가 손다데 맨다 차티샤. 단다데 맨다래. 자다 도디님부 뉴물 해지게 왜세 코레가는 산드는 거도와. 학계에 그도네. 다데네 림베기 조림기 까봐. 야 레이드자네. 다 롱숨을 내도는데 다 저롱 틀리를 내도는데 냠lên 때네. 루브르에 샘디디마 팔라샤 팀. 아니 지정기 루브르에 샘디마 가서 우리 그게 액티브 매버 샵에 서지. 아니 차 롱숨디디 액티브야 차야지. 그것도 되게 좋아. 나도 조진 걸리나 라보 루브에 롱숨디 숙천문 것도 주변 내가 올라야 릭시에 탭도 여배 있는데 냠용게 심바 있나 릭베 못 쳐야지 릭베 랑소 쓰면야지 송겨야래 다 안다 상아 삶에 걸리나 왜세 땅바 하베 내가 대당 루브르에 샘던 제베 내가 릭베디 전에 무슨체 루브르에 샘디 가베 지 릭베디 송 왜세 디송 어제 인도산에 저런 틀리 냠네디리 응원을 로가 되네 이 말이 저다 더 심해
사실.
사제한다 다데 셀동 송주 송돼야 돼 셀와 샘지 천이 동바 샘지 정신 셀동 송주绝对是送下的나데 근시 교육의宽带 남숨 창화를 했어 이 정도 그래졌으려나 근시 교육의 코르베 처탐제 천이 주도 상 순주전에 다다 교육실은 안돼 가서 올라변 내고 봤다 탐해변 내고 봤다 근데 이번 인도산에 대라 코르베 처탐제로 뭔도 균이 여배 인도산에 천이 주도 상스 다 람기 똑바디디 연대가 주도 상스 땅고 변한 거 아주 대박 지지 제실로 돼야 동료도 실업 지지 제실로 돼야 나가는 신기지 다 있는 저 지수로 돼야 중국에 문제는 되게 달고 시바디가네고 중루제도 와 시바디가네 용대도 와 다들 전부씩 레인 거를 갖고 유원주대 중도가 되는 인도산에 람기 가서 람기 취탐제 연대는 수도 상 톱소가 연대디디 중국 수도 상스 중국 이런 수도 상스 어디서 자 이제 인도산에 근시 규규 관대 열매 송샤다 대간 레기도 와 오케이 So perhaps some question. Already here?
Your Holiness, these questions were submitted through the internet.
Yes.
And Professor Cabazon handed them to me. The first question is, in my reading of some of His Holiness's books, I have sometimes seen the subtlemost nature of mind characterized as neutral. But in other instances, it seems as though His Holiness says that we have an innate predisposition for goodness, for love, for compassion, and for enlightenment. So this would seem to imply that the fundamental nature of mind is positive or virtuous, but not neutral. Can Your Holiness please explain?
in generally, of course, we are not talking about ultimate reality or subtle mind. As far as subtle mind is concerned, this moment, just a word. So our basic sort of human nature, the way, I think in afternoon session, I think I may explain something.
Okay.
So those people who will not come
This afternoon.
the next session, then you can ask someone who attends.
Second question, Your Holiness. Is there some reason to prefer meditation on the nature of mind to meditation on anything else? For example, meditation on the nature of self or other phenomena?
그렇다. 심갈.
Simply, ngomyajo.
그래 봐.
Di gomya di penaya meta bogo botan di dame bogo botan de gombala le thagre di dam go ke nega khainas.
That's mainly is refer in tantric teaching, tantric practice. The reason is, as I mentioned at the beginning, ultimately things depend on our motivation. Motivation is part of mind. So therefore, penalty 가서 좋지. 심리기는 심전직내당 뇌지직대시도 나도 그 로마를 내래 개발서 선만을 내지 개만인스. 다한다 되게 세동 숭주사 릭동 열매 대동 열매 사계지도와 디 춘이 버치버리디 다 배나 세동 숭주사 릭동 열매 세사가 동리디 머신 분배된 그 동리다 가서 배는 유구된 그 동리다 동리 임배 뭐는 직벌해야지 이내 최전 싸워다 뭐예매도 나서는데 그런 되게 쉬운 상담으로 안다디 랑신디 랑기 다 가서 우리 보게 또 배추지 못해 되는지 자 근데 인도산에 심지 춘이 가는 상담 모두 믿어가 릭동이면 상담 오마티 자 근데 인도산에 베나도 사운드 아리안 대회 림면 나한테 송야래 심지 춘이 도와야 돼 시부지 개치 뭐 이마지 콘데 그 싸워들 있어 송야 어디 나한테 된 시고 다 누르네 샤베이나 제단변 다하게 최전게 내기 다 전부 또 나와 예배 차네 토마 가사가 담고 되네 최지 담고 공사 지점 송비야래 나 라메드 데이르산에 인심이 심지 듣고는 용어도 저거 샤베 but one sort of the Sanskrit word usually we recite, that is Om Shunada Jnana Banza Sumbawa Emakohang. The Sumbawa say Rangshi Saishwa. Or that the Kang Gumju Nelu the Chishen Korang Rangshimba. Om Sumbawa should Sawa Dama, Sumbawa should Hang Sayagi, Sumbawa Sayadida. Om Shunada Jnana Banza Sumbawa Say Kagari, Tundar Karadwa. Next.
I'm wondering if you think it is a lot more difficult for Americans to focus their minds and to be able to reach enlightenment.
그래서
that similar that sim nail to pubje sim that focus che the kange che metros arizo and things are the kanda to be le kange che metros chikche. We are a culture that thrives on stimulation, excitement, pleasure, and doing everything very quickly. I think that meditation and centering oneself is extremely difficult in American society. Do you think it would be easier for Americans if we lived in a country with a slower pace, where people took more time being present in their daily life?
Basically, I don't think there's much differences, whether Easterner or Westerner. I don't think much differences. In fact, some of my American friends who spent years of meditation, said their result quite amazing. So these are American, not Tibetan. So that shows basically same human mind. As the external influence important, but ultimately, the nature of mind itself is more important. So we everyone have sort of same potential, and I think because of that, same mental quality. I think like that. That's how I feel. But then someone, I think this questioner, if you're really serious, then thorough investigation, interview more people, then maybe you get more clearer picture. I don't think it's much differences.
Final question.
I think 2-3 questions.
Okay. Why did you say Buddhism is like a science of the mind?
That word not originally come from me, but some Western scholar, describe. Buddhism is not a religion, but rather a science of mind. So ask him, ask them. Yes.
How do you feel about the use of LSD and other psychedelic drugs to attain higher states of consciousness or spirituality?
Of course, firstly, I have no such experience. Then according to those people who have some experience, then it seems 나도 주변 남진이 왜 그러봐? 또 주변 남에서 우리는 초심도 와. Then next. I think in serious practice is concerned, I think should not rely on external substances. Just simply try to
Cultivate the mind.
Cultivate
The mind, yeah.
the nature quality of mind. That's much better.